Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a high-octane adrenaline rush. We're diving deep into the world of extreme timber processing with the fastest automatic firewood machines and the most dangerous chainsaws ever built. This is the real deal. Let's get started. Tired of wrestling with heavy logs? Meet the DORN-TEC log splitter, a game changer in firewood processing. With an impressive 21 tons of splitting force and an adjustable height, this beast takes the strain out of splitting. Oh, and that winch, it does the heavy lifting for you. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to efficiency. Level up your firewood game with the 50/80th splitter. Imagine attaching your splitter to a front loader. It's a total game changer. With an optional log lifter, your back will thank you. And get this, it can handle logs up to 880 centimeters in diameter. Massive, right? Next up, we have the powerhouse duo, the EOG 590D and Kesla 28RH2. These marvels of engineering take logging technology to the next level. Sure, the 590D might cost anywhere from $79,000 to $290,000 to $1,500, but the performance, worth every penny. Together, they're redefining what's possible in timber handling. Have you seen the Albachfeld crane? This monster can reach 32 meters high, cut through 80 centimeters thick trees, and lift for tons, all without the operator leaving the cab. It's an engineering masterpiece that makes tackling even the biggest trees look easy. Speed meets power with the Cord King CS 2030. Its turbocharged 80 horsepower engine handles logs up to 30 feet long and 20 inches thick. With the ability to produce 6 to 8 cords of firewood per hour, this machine isn't just productive, it's unstoppable. Let's switch gears to the Scania R650 V8 truck that's not just about specs, but how it makes you feel. This isn't just a workhorse, it's a part of you. What do you think? Does the R650 V8 resonate with you? Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of firewood processing and logging. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Stay safe out there and keep those chains sharp.